ChatGPT just got a major upgrade. It's not just a simple facelift. We're talking about a game-changing transformation that includes a brand new text-to-speech model and a cutting-edge vision model. Yes, you heard that right. ChatGPT can now interact with you in ways that were once the stuff of science fiction. But the real question is, why didn't they think of this sooner? Here we go, folks. It's time to dive into the latest and greatest from ChatGPT. The team over at OpenAI has really outdone themselves this time, and I'm thrilled to share the details with you. ChatGPT has undergone a fantastic upgrade that's taken its smarts and creativity to a whole new level. They've added two shiny new features that are going to blow your mind: voice interaction and image interaction. These features open up a world of possibilities, and I'm here to break it down for you in plain and simple terms. Alright, let's get into the exciting stuff. ChatGPT has been given a fantastic upgrade that's going to change the way you interact with it. Now, instead of typing your messages, you can just speak to it and it'll speak right back at you. It's like having a good old conversation with a real person, and here's how OpenAI pulled off this magic trick. So, how did OpenAI manage to do this? Well, they've created a brand new text-to-speech model, and they teamed up with the professional voice actors to make it sound just right. This model uses deep neural networks to turn text into high-quality speech. And here's the cool part. It can adjust the tone, pitch, speed, and even the emotion in the speech, making it sound incredibly natural. Not only that, it can understand and respond in all sorts of accents, languages, and dialects. So, you can chat with ChatGPT in the language you feel most comfortable with. But wait, there's more! ChatGPT has also learned how to see and understand images. This means you can share pictures with it, ask questions about them, or even learn something new from what you see. And here's a real bonus. You can ask ChatGPT to create images based on the text you give it, or make changes to images you already have. These new features are going to take your interactions with ChatGPT to a whole new level, and I'm going to explain how they work. Now, OpenAI has rolled out a fantastic new vision model they're calling GPT-4 Vision, or simply GPT-4V. Now, I know it might sound a bit technical, but trust me, it's all about making your interaction with AI more exciting and informative. Here's what you need to know in simple terms. GPT-4V is like a close cousin of GPT-3, but it's been trained uniquely. Instead of just working with text, it's been fed a massive pile of images and their corresponding text from the internet. This special training enables the model to see and understand what's in an image, and then it can generate appropriate descriptions or titles for those images. But it doesn't stop there. GPT-4V can do some pretty cool things with images, like identifying objects, recognizing faces, and even breaking down different parts of a scene. It's like having a visual expert right at your fingertips. But here's the real kicker. GPT-4V has teamed up with OpenAI's DALL-E3, which is an image creation model. This combo means ChatGPT can take your text descriptions and turn them into images. So, if you want to see a cat with a hat or a cheese house, yes, you read that right, or basically anything your imagination can cook up, ChatGPT can make it happen. And it's not just about creating images, you can also ask it to edit pictures you already have, like changing colors or adding cool effects. With these awesome new features, the sky's the limit for what you can do with ChatGPT. Whether you need help with tech problems, want to understand complex graphs, need meal planning tips, or just want to have some fun with voice and pictures, ChatGPT's got your back. Alright, if you're eager to give these amazing features a try, there are actually two options. One that's free and one that comes with a price tag. Let me break it down for you. For free, you can hop over to Microsoft's Bing search engine. It's your ticket to having a chat with ChatGPT, and here's the cool part. You can either type your messages or simply speak to ChatGPT. It's like having a conversation with a virtual friend. And if you've got some images to share, you can send those over to either through Bing or directly from your device. But if you want to experience ChatGPT in all its glory, you can opt for ChatGPT Plus. This is the premium version, and it comes with a bunch of perks. You'll get faster responses, you'll be the first in line to try out new features, and it just feels smoother all around. ChatGPT Plus comes for $20 per month, and it's available to users everywhere. So, it's not just ChatGPT that's getting a makeover and making waves in the AI world. There are other tech giants in the game, and they're constantly working to up their AI game. One such player is Amazon, a name you're surely familiar with. While Amazon has been a heavyweight in areas like cloud computing and machine learning for some time, they've been somewhat late to the AI party compared to some of their Silicon Valley counterparts. But hold on, because Amazon is stepping up its AI game in a big way. They're investing a whopping $1.25 billion initially in a company called Anthropic, which is a direct competitor to OpenAI. What's interesting is that this investment could swell up to a massive $4 billion. In return, Anthropic will be tapping into Amazon's cloud services and AI chips to power their projects. Now let's be clear, this doesn't immediately put Amazon at the very top of the AI food chain. Companies like Google and Microsoft still lead the pack. But this deal might just set the stage for Amazon to become a heavyweight in the AI chip game. They're aiming to make their AI chips known as Trainium and Inferentia as renowned as NVIDIA's AI chips. This move also has the potential to boost Amazon's AI app development support service, Amazon Bedrock. The market is definitely taking notice of Amazon's AI ambitions. When they announced this investment, their value shot up by a massive $21 billion. That's quite a return on an initial investment of $1.25 billion, and it shows that the world is ready for the next phase of AI innovation. So, keep your eyes on Amazon as they dive deeper into the exciting world of AI. It's a thrilling journey for tech enthusiasts, and we'll be here to keep you updated on all the latest developments. And there you have it, the incredible world of ChatGPT's major upgrade. It's nothing short of mind-blowing, isn't it? Now, here's where we turn the spotlight to you, our amazing viewers. What do you think about these text-to-speech and vision features? How do you envision using them in your everyday life? We'd love to hear your thoughts, so make sure to drop your comments down below. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video as fascinating as we did, and if you want to stay up to date with all the latest tech marvels and innovations, make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on the next big thing in the world of AI. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of AI. Stay curious, keep exploring, and as always, I'll catch you in the next video.